Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are doing good. So today we are going to see exercise 2.3 RD Sharma grade 7 next word problem. Question number 7. So question is, by what number should 6 upon 9 be multiplied to get? First number is 6 upon 9. As this is a mixed fraction, we need to convert it in a normal fractions. We'll convert it first. 6 multiplied by 9 plus 2 divided by 9. 6 nines are 54 plus 2 upon 9, which will give you 56 upon 9. Now what is product? Product is given. Product is 4 upon 9. Again we will convert it in a normal fraction like this. 4 nines are 36 plus 4 upon 9, which will give you 40 upon 9. Now if you have to find out the next number, how I explained you initially only, second number will be product, means 40 upon 9 divided by first number 56 upon 9. Okay. Now when we are dividing any two fractions, first fraction remain as it is, division converted into a multiplication sign, and the next fraction will be, it's in an inverse fraction or reciprocal. So reciprocal means numerator become denominator and denominator become numerator. 9 can be cut. They both are 14, 56 are the factors of 4. So I can say 4 ones are 4 and here 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. Again we can cut it by 2, 2 sevens are 14, 2 fives are 10. So you will get the answer 5 upon 7. So the answer will be, the next fraction is 5 upon 7. Thank you guys. Friends, so now we are going to solve the next question from exercise 2.3, question number 8. The product of two numbers is 25, 5 upon 6. If one of the number is 6, 2 upon 3, find the other. So here again it's like last question, product is given, one of the number is given. If you will divide product by one number, so we can get the second number. So we will do the same. Product is 25, 5 upon 6. So first we will convert it in a normal fraction, as this is a mixed fraction, like this. If you multiply 25 multiplied by 6, you will get 150 plus 5 upon 6, which will give you 155 upon 6. Okay, now one of the number is given. One of the number is 6, 2 upon 3. Again we will convert it in a normal fraction, as this is a mixed fraction. So 6 multiplied by 3 plus 2 divided by 3. 6 3s are 18 plus 2 divided by 3, which will give you 20 upon 3. Now the next number will be, the other number will be product 155 upon 6 divided by 20 upon 3. Now we will convert division sign by multiplication and will get the reciprocal of this fraction. So it will be 3 upon 20. Okay. Now 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. They both are also 5s. 5 is a factor for both numbers. 5 fours are 20, 5 threes are 15, 5 ones are 1. So here you will get 31 multiplied by 1 by 2 multiplied by 4 means 31 upon 8. But here in the question we can see both the numbers are mixed fractions. So we will convert it also in a normal, in a mixed fraction. So we will divide 31 by 8. 8 3s are 24, 8 4 are 32 will be greater. 11 minus 4 will give you 7. This is 0. So you will get answer, remainder is 7. 7 will be here divided by 8 and quotient will come here. So your answer will be, the next number is, or the second number will be 3 7 upon 8. Thank you guys. Hello friends, welcome to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are doing good. So again we are continuing exercise 2.3 and we are going to solve question number 9, grade 7 RD Sharma. Okay. So first we'll read the question. The cost of 6 1 upon 4 kg of apples is rupees 400. At what rate per kg are the apples being sold? So here total quantity of apples are 6 1 upon 4 kg. So first we will convert it in a normal fraction. Okay. So or we can say quantity of apples is 6 1 upon 4 kg. or either you can write weight also. Okay, so first we will convert 6 multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4. So it will give you 6 4s are 24 plus 1, 25 upon 4 kg. Now it is given that this much apples he sold in 400 rupees. Okay, so the cost of apples is 400 rupees. Now we need to find what is the cost of per kg of apples. So we can say, since 25 upon 4 kg apples sold 400 rupees. Okay, so 1 kg apples sold. For that we will divide 400 by 25 upon 4. Okay, so 400 will, as it is, division will be multiplication sign, and we'll take the reciprocal of this. Now I can see they both can be divisible by 5. 5 5s are 25, 5 8s are 40, 0, 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30, 16 4s are 64 rupees. So your answer will be 64 rupees. So the answer statement will be, the cost of 1 kg of apple is 64 rupees. Thank you guys. Hello friends. So now we are going to solve another question from exercise 2.3. Question number 10. By selling oranges at the rate of rupees 5 upon 4 per orange, a fruit seller gets rupees 630. How many dozens of oranges does he sell? So one orange he is selling for 5 upon 4 rupees. Okay, so first we will say this. So we will write cost of one orange is equal to 5 upon 4. So first we will convert it in a normal fraction. So 5 multiplied by 2 or multiplied by 4 plus 1 upon 4. 5 4s are 20 plus 1 will give you 21 upon 4 rupees. Okay, so one orange's cost is 21 upon 4 rupees. Now total cost or total income he got, so we can write total amount that he got is 630 rupees. Now we need to find how many dozens of oranges does he sell. So before getting dozens, first we will see how many total oranges he sold. Okay, so total oranges he sold will be, total oranges he sold, for that we need to divide 630 by 21 upon 4. Okay, so 630 multiply by reciprocal of 21 upon 4 will be like this. Okay, now if you will divide it, 21 1s are 21, 3s are 63, so you will get 30 multiplied by 4 means 120 rupees. So this is the, this is not a rupee, this is the number of oranges that he sold. So it's a 120 oranges. Now as we know, since 12 oranges equals to 1 dozen. Okay, so 120 oranges will make how many dozens? So for that we will divide 120 by 12. So you will get 10 dozens. So this will be your answer. So he sold 10 dozens of oranges. Thank you guys. Kindly like, subscribe, share and comment.